I've been a doctor for 23 years, and these are the things I tell my patients to avoid making themselves look and feel younger. First is spinach. Eating spinach regularly helps women look and taste amazing down there. I always tell this to my patients who has partners just to help them spice up their game. Then here's another thing. Eating strawberries daily will slim down your face thanks to their high potassium content. Drinking this cleanse tea from Amazon every night will boost your metabolism and get rid of that stubborn belly fat sitting on your tummy. Plus, it even leaves you with a clear and glowing skin. And lastly, applying raw honey to acne scars will make them fade in just a matter of days. Believe it or not, all this works so good it will change your life.